Welcome to my channel, Crowned by Queen B. My name is Shaqueen Valentine. I co-own Vanity Studio Hair Salon and School of Cosmetology, located in Stamford, Connecticut. I also co-own Destination Royalty Travel with my husband. Before all of those things, I am a mom and a wife. And at home, I tend to be quite the chef. On this channel, I'll be discussing with you some household recipes, yummy. You'll be traveling with me, lit. I'll even bring you in the studio and we can discuss home hair care, hair products. I'll even be dropping some gems about how to sustain in the beauty industry. If this sounds like the channel for you, click subscribe, turn your notifications on, and give me a thumbs up. Don't give me a thumbs